Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize touch controls on the LG Tone FP9. So to do this you have to be connected with the LG Tone application, and next you have to simply scroll down until you find this option at the bottom, Touchpad Settings. So open it, and here we can find a few gestures. We can tap once, basically touch once, twice, or 3 times. And as you can see, currently it's set up to play and stop, volume down or volume up, or play the next song. We can customize, for example, the touch 3 times the right one. So we can switch from the next song to the previous song. Click confirm, and after a few moments, as you can see, we will be able to turn on the next and also turn the previous song while using our earbuds. You can make any change that you want right here, and also you can reset the default by tapping right here, and of course you are going to reset the touchpad settings, not the whole earbuds. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.